here again at Timbalum. All overgrown. So if we lose a drone, we lose a drone. You're not going to find it quickly in this lot, but I've got to have a go. I've got to have a go. I don't think that works until you put the this over there, because that's going to kick up an hell of a lot of dust. I think you're going to have the thing on for us. I'm forgetting, are they? Hottest day you want to know. It's too sunny for my eyes because I'm half fucking blind anyway. Oh, come on now, don't fucking... But I enjoyed it, but very windy. The weather, not me. Very windy. I had a couple of I did have a nervous moment because I gone past that. If the fucking thing flies away, it flies away, and that's the end of it. I'll sell a fucking spare battery, the controller, and wish I'd never seen it in the fucking first place. But good laugh, I gotta be honest. I done a battery and a half, so you know, I did my toilet duty. And now what we gotta do now is get the fuck out of this dodge. I'm hoping we have exactly the same getting out here as we had getting in here. No traffic whatsoever. I like this place because it is absolutely fucking private, you know what I mean? People don't come over to you and ask you what the fuck you're doing, even though you've got a drone in your hand, like, you know. What are you doing, mate? What are you doing? Nothing. I'm just up here watching that thing in the sky, making sure I don't fall on nobody. Another van now, exactly the same as this one, apart from a lot newer. And they're nowhere to be seen, and there was smoke coming out of there earlier on when I come up past. So I hope they're definitely not in there lighting fires, because there, smell it now? Of course you can't. How could you smell it now? I can smell it. There's my dog in here. Are you in here? Yeah. Oh, there you are. Okay. There's my dog here. See? There he is. Yeah. There he is. Do you enjoy that? Fucking great, wasn't it? You can have a go next time, alright? If there is a next time. If you're good. He cries all the way from the house to where I parked. He cried. Now on the way back, look, good as gold. Fucking good as gold. Cattle grid, hang on. Yeah, I enjoyed that. I fucking done it at last. I got out with the fucking thing and flew it. And that's all I had to do. I like to fly it over by here because you've got the big reservoir. Reservoir, whatever, pond thing, lake over there. Apparently people go swimming in it, so there's obviously a road to it. I do appreciate the other drone flyers because they just do it, and I can't just do it. You know what I mean? This has took months for me to actually get out and go fly a drone. Months. I think I've been talking about it. Well, the last time I flew the drone, I think you'll find in the thingy, was a year ago. Last year was the last time I lifted it off the floor. I think it would be better to use the Litchi app and set it up to fly for you. Otherwise you just tend to seem to go up and down, around and around, where literally you could go up them paths, you could go up the pathways and whatever. So maybe time to brush up on the Litchi app. It's better than I'll tell you now, it is better than whatever it's called, the prop one for the drone, DJI, whatever it's called. The Litchi app is twice as was a crisp bag. It's a better app altogether, absolutely, because you can program it, you know. You can, and then if I go there again next week, I can. That program is still set in the phone, and it'll fly exactly the same route as it did the week before, or the month before, or the fucking year before, whatever. So if you haven't got the Litchi app, I suggest you hop out and get it. This cost, when I bought it, was 20 quid. But you can set the route on your laptop. The laptop then sends it to your phone, and it's in your phone. But plus, if somebody else has flown Timbalum or whatever, I can access his route and program it so it flies his route. Whoever he may have been, whoever he may have been, if he stored it in the archives of Litchi, anybody can put it into your program, and it'll follow that exact route. Fucking great, isn't it? Fucking great. Oh, you're a clever fucking chicken shit. I hope I got that on camera. What is it? People just seem to fucking think I'm invisible or some fucking thing. You know, this thing is white, it's pretty fucking big. Hello. There's a woman at the bus stop. She looked at me, so I give an happy hello-y back.